Men kablarna och kontakterna är trasiga. Men
means, but, or, however. Pronounced.
Men.
Similar to the English word. It's a conjunction used to introduce a contrasting or opposing idea. Here, it sets up a contrast to a previous statement. Implied or explicit.
Kablarna.
Means, the cables. Pronounced.
Kablarna. Kablar.
Cables, is the plural noun, and
Na.
is the definite plural suffix.
Och.
Means, and, pronounced.
Och.
Like a softer version of the English, och. It's a conjunction used to connect two or more elements in a sentence.
Kontakterna.
Means, the connectors, or, the contacts. Pronounced.
Kontakterna. Kontakter.
Connectors, contacts, is the plural noun, and
Na.
is the definite plural suffix.
Är.
Means, are. Pronounced.
Är.
It's the plural form of the verb.
Att vara.
To be. It indicates the state of being of the subject.
Trasiga.
Means broken. Pronounced.
Trasiga.
It's the plural adjective agreeing with
Kablarna.
and
Kontakterna.
describing their condition. Putting it together.
Men kablarna och kontakterna är trasiga.
Means, but the cables and connectors are broken. It indicates a problem where the cables and connectors are not functioning correctly.